Grand Rising family, I want to welcome you to another episode of Max Crypto News. We talk about these intangible coins at all times, family. How the family doing today? Listen, the market is on a little pullback yesterday, but you know what we say? Red days are always the best days, family. So look, without further ado, we're gonna jump right in. Family, listen, if y'all want to join this advanced crypto class, send me an email at maxcryptonews@gmail.com. Again, send me an email at maxcryptonews@gmail.com. It's a $100 fee. The class is 6 to 8 weeks, and I teach you about this market, how to invest and how to get the best that you can get out of this market, right? Also, family, if you like the information that you see on these videos, family, thumb up the video, like and subscribe to Big Max on YouTube. Leave a comment if you want to, family, right? Most of all, share the video. Thumb up, because YouTube do go off algorithms, right? So you need to thumb the video. I know y'all been seeing this Freeman, North Carolina trailer. I'm one of the brothers in the movie. It'll be coming out October the 19th, 2021. We had to push it back, but it is coming, family, right? With that being said, family, we're gonna jump right into this market, because right now, yesterday was a red day, but today we can expect things to start getting a little bit better, but we always buy the dips. Buying the dips are very important, that we buy the dip. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's check out foreign market cap. You see the market cap is still at $1 trillion, over $1.9 trillion. Bitcoin at $56,763 is down a little bit. Buy the dip. I went on and brought me some. Whenever it dip, I buy me some, right? Got Ethereum at $2,000. Still looking good. Binance coin at $399. I told y'all Binance was gonna get to 400. And now Binance just sitting at $400 healthy. $399 healthy at Binance coin. XRP at 95 cents, family. XRP, I told y'all I was gonna cool down a little bit, but you want to see where it stabilizes at and watch it get right to go on another move. XRP gonna go on another move, family. Right? That's good. Also, since we're talking about XRP, let me go ahead and jump right into this. It's a petition that was sent to the SEC chair, right, nominee, to drop the lawsuit. So I'm gonna play this.
New petition asks SEC Chair nominee Gary Gensler to drop Ripple lawsuit. The Ripple community has launched a new petition to stop the war on XRP. Crypto and Policy founder Thomas Hodge has started a Change.org petition directed at Securities and Exchange Commission Chair nominee Gary Gensler, asking him to end the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple once he's confirmed as chairman of the commission. Announcing the news Wednesday, Crypto and Policy called on Gensler to investigate the potential motives of former SEC Chair Jay Clayton and his SEC Director of Corporate Finance William Hinman for favoring Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, ETH, while harming XRP. The petition alleges that Clayton and Hinman could have had financial interests in Bitcoin and Ether. While Clayton and Hinman were in office, they were asked if Bitcoin and Ether were securities. They said very clearly, on the record, no, they are not securities, so keep trading them. They both took money from companies with direct or clear indirect interest in those public statements. Hodge further alleged that Hinman received millions of dollars in payments from the law firm of Simpson Thacher, which is a member of the Ethereum Enterprise Alliance. The petition claims that Hinman collected checks from the firm while the firm earned fees supporting the initial public offering of Chinese crypto mining giant Canaan. The XRP advocate outlined the uncertain regulatory status of the altcoin, stating that Clayton spent 4 years of his tenure without providing a clear response on whether XRP was a security. Hodge continued. But on his final day in office, Clayton had his SEC file a massive lawsuit against Ripple, claiming it had sold XRP as an illegal unregistered security for 7 years. The SEC alleged that Ripple and all holders of XRP should have known for the last 7 years that XRP was a security when the SEC itself repeatedly said it didn't know it until the day it filed the lawsuit in December 2020. At the time of writing, the online petition has collected about 1,600 signatures out of its goal of 2,500. As previously reported by Cointelegraph, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, as well as its CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Christian Larson on December 22, 2020, alleging that XRP was a $1.3 billion unregistered securities offering. Amid the ongoing legal battle, a U.S. court granted Ripple Labs access to the SEC's documents on defining crypto assets as securities in early April. Earlier this week, the price of XRP crossed the $1 mark for the first time since March 2018. The latest price milestone is still far from its all-time high of above $3 recorded in January 2018.
So, family, this petition has been filed. It was one filed earlier, so now this is another one. I would love to find this petition and actually put it up here. So, but if you find, you can research this petition and you can find it, family. And if you want to sign the petition, right? I think it's something worth signing. You got ADA at number 6, $1.19. Polkadot at $39.96, right at the 40-cent range. Uniswap at $29.26. Litecoin $219. Chainlink at $31. Data at $12.40. Bitcoin Cash at $621. Stellar's at 47 cents. We don't want Stellar to get under the 45-cent range, y'all. We need Stellar to stay 46, 47 cents and stabilize there for the next move, right? Got Filecoin $148.77. Tron back at going up again, back at 11 cents, up 4%. Dogecoin at 6 cents. Play $3.19. Then you got Soul at the top 20 at $26.80, family. Right. So y'all know I've been promoting the Pi Network. So y'all know you want to get a piece of the pie. Let me play this.
Wants to be left behind. The future of money is evolving rapidly, and no one wants to be left behind. Mining Bitcoin is time and energy intensive, requires extensive physical resources, and advanced technical knowledge. Introducing Pi, the first and only digital currency you can mine on your phone. That's big. This novel approach, developed by Stanford PhDs, allows you to mine cryptocurrency on your phone by leveraging your existing social connections with no cost and no battery drain. Have a phone? You've got Pi. It's time to join the revolution. Download Pi today for Apple or Android and get your piece of the pie.
All right, so it's a link in the description, family. If you want to get the Pi Network, your referral code would be Max Crypto News, and we will all be mining Pi together, family. Right? All right, so let's get back to this market for a quick second. Let's look at some of the shitties, as somebody say. You got V-Chain. So let's see some of the top movers real fast. Engine Coin. I hate every time I see Engine Coin. Up 32%. You got Harmony One up at 16 cents. 1 inch up 23%. Warzak at up 17%. Pancake Swap is almost $20, y'all. That's because finance is going up. Wow. Stacks up are older. That's about it. I'm not. Yo, I need to see one more thing, though. Let me see something. So if Barry is down, though, I'm surprised Barry not up. I'm surprised Barry not up. The X-Fin going to 6 cents, y'all. Hex over 2 cents. NEXO, $2.76. Yeah, Pancake running. Pancake is running. All right, so let's get to some more news real fast. All right, Riot Blockchain. Y'all know I've been promoting Riot Blockchain. This is a stock now, but Riot Blockchain and Bitcoin is pegged to each other, right? So this is something that I've been promoting. So if you've been following me, you know I've been talking about Riot Blockchain. Been talking about it since it was $2 a share, right? But it's pegged to the Bitcoin. So that's
Riot Blockchain purchases 42,000 ant miners from Bitmain. Riot Blockchain, a cryptocurrency mining company, has expanded its fleet and mining capacity with a new purchase order for 42,000 S19j ant miners from Bitmain. Megan Brooks, Riot's COO, said the latest purchase order positions her company in the United States at the center of the Bitcoin mining industry. By nearly doubling its planned hash rate capacity, Riot continues to take great strides forward in growing both the company's and the United States' share of the global network hash rate. We are proud of this accomplishment and remain focused on continuing to evaluate additional opportunities in the space. The purchase order, valued at $138.5 million, is part of a coordinated growth plan to significantly increase Riot's Bitcoin, BTC, mining hash rate. As a result of the current and previous orders, Riot said it is scheduled to receive a minimum of 3,500 S19j ant miners per month beginning in November and running through October 2022. As Cointelegraph previously reported, Riot expects to achieve a hash rate capacity of 3.8 exahash per second by the end of 2021. Once deployed, the new order of 42,000 ant miners will more than double the capacity to 7.7 A/s. Once fully operational, Riot's mining fleet will consist of 81,150 ant miners, of which 95% are the latest generation S19 miners. Shares of Riot Blockchain were down sharply Wednesday, reflecting the overall downtrend in the cryptocurrency market. The stock is down 7% at the time of publication and has corrected 36% from last month's all-time high. Astonishingly, Riot's 52-week low is 93 cents. It peaked at $79.50 in mid-March and currently trades just above $50 a share.
So family, you know, I've been talking about Riot Blockchain for a long time. I'm gonna take y'all, this is a little bit into stocks, but it's connected to Bitcoin, right? So let me pull this up, the NASDAQ. I want y'all to see something, y'all. All right, so let's go to here. Okay. I want to go one whole year. So I want y'all to see this, family, right? When you go back into March, well, this is, I just want to show y'all something, man. March, when we had the economic crisis, you see this, how much Riot Blockchain was? $1.27 a share. Look at this, y'all, February. Yeah, here we go. I knew it went lower. 72 cents in March. It was low, 70 cents, right? Now, I didn't get in March. I got in April, right? I jumped in around April sometime. But look at this, y'all. You see how the price of this stock went up. We got over $71 February. This money got over $71. And it's pegged to Bitcoin, y'all. If you in my class, you've been knowing about this stuff, right? That's why I tell y'all to take the advanced crypto class, because all the students, they've been knew about this a while ago. And I know they all happy, right? But where I just pay it to the Bitcoin, y'all. All right, so let me go to some more news. USDC is halfway to flipping PayPal, meaning that the amount of money or transactions that has been done on USDC is half the amount of PayPal. So USDC total transactions will be surpassing PayPal within the next couple of years. This is basically what this article is talking about. And y'all know USDC and Stellar is working together, right, along with Visa. So, but remember I told y'all the USDC is after USDT, the Tether. It's trying to replace Tether, family, and it's very close. USDC is backed by Circle, it's backed by Coinbase, Visa is working with them, so they have a lot of big names with them that's working with this USDC, and I think it's gonna replace Tether as the global digital dollar, right? That's what I really believe. All right, so that's that. Now, family, I'm gonna take y'all to some Bankroll. Now, I've been telling y'all about Bankroll for a long time, y'all. I've been telling y'all about this, and you know, it's about time for y'all to start joining Bankroll and Flow, right? I'm claiming, right? But it's about time to start joining. So when the rest of the market starts having bad days, right, you want to be in Bankroll Flow, because this is basically for the bear market. When everybody else and the bull market is over with and you trying to find ways to make money, this is when you want to be in Flow. So it's best to go ahead and build your stuff up now, like I am. I'm building, I'm taking out, I'm claiming. Hold up, what do you mean? Let me claim my stuff. All right, let me get my stuff. Yeah, I'm claiming. And what I'm gonna do is, once I claim it for the BDO, I'm gonna take it and put it in Binance USD. All right, so Binance USD is another aspect of elephant money. They don't want to pull up. See what's going on with this. Hold up. See what's going on. Well, just know I'm claiming, y'all. And what I'm gonna do, since I claim my Bankroll, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show y'all. And this is how you take your residual income. If it ain't but $30, and I take my $30. I'm happy. I ain't greedy. All right, I'll take my little $30, and everything's starting to move slow. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna transfer my Bankroll into TRX. Then once I transfer into TRX, I'm gonna use my TRX and buy me some more CNS. I told y'all CNS is dead. Right, so what I'm doing is I'm using my residual to buy my CNS, to build my bag up like that. But with that being said, family, I appreciate y'all watching this episode of Max Crypto News. And I look forward to catching y'all on the next video. Y'all all be safe. I love y'all. And what I do.